Welcome! Today we're going to show you if you can connect your PS5 controller to your Nintendo Switch. If you have a legitimate copy of your Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2, you can't actually connect a PS5 controller to your Nintendo Switch. So, PlayStation controllers can connect to any other device through the share button. You can just hold the share button and hold the PS button at the same time. After that, if you go to the controllers RC from here, you can go to change grip. So after making the PS5 controller enter the pairing phase, after that you need to press L and R buttons at the same time. So this will not actually work with you if you are using a legitimate copy of your Switch. So I don't encourage doing that to not get banned by Nintendo. The other alternative that you can actually do is to get a Pro controller for Nintendo Switch and connect it through the change grip or the RC from here, and you can actually get a Pro controller that is very similar to a PS5 controller. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.